Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create and verify your MEXC account in a very simple way. Firstly, let's go over to Apple Store or Play Store, and before getting started I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So over here is Apple Store, and what you have to do next, you have to go over to the search area, which is by your right at the down side. Let me go over to the search area for me to type in the app, which is MEXC. You can see it at the upside, so let me go over to it. So what you're about to do now is to download the app. I want to download the app to my phone, and you're going to see get there, and let me press the get for it to download to my phone, and you can see it's loading. Okay, install. Let me press install for the phone, for the app to be installed to my phone, and it will take time for the app to download, or else you're having a network issue. And you can see it's done. And what I have to do next, I have to go over to open, and here you say allow MEXC to track your activity across other company apps and website. So either you say allowed or you do not allow. So I will go over to allowed down here, and over to the next one it says sign up, which means you're about to create an account. Let me go over to sign up there, and here it says welcome to MEXC. So you're going to enter your email address and enter your password. Your password must consist of capital letter, number and uppercase. I've done that already. Here I'm trying to, this is like a game, to slide to complete the puzzle, which I've done. So over to the next side, it said you're almost there. Enter the 6-digit verification code for your email. They sent me an email, so I'm going to enter the code right now and press continue. It said register, claim your 8,000 USSDT new user gift, which means my accounts have been created. I've created an account on MEXC. My account is registered. So the next step is to verify the account. Since I've created the account, and let's go over to it. And here it said enable face ID, so you're going to enable it, or you do set letter. Enable it, make it more easy for you to gain access. So you're going to use your face ID or your passcode, whatever one you want to use. So I'm using my passcode for it. Is just like a password. And here is the home page, and what you have to do, go over to the profile side by your left, and you're going to see verify, which is showing orange, which means that your account is not verified. Let's go over to it. Over there you are going to see personal verification, primary KYC and advanced KYC. You go over to the primary KYC, and it's showing country or region, which means your country. So in case you can't see it, you can search your country here, or you can go over to the search area there and type in your country name there. And the next one is ID type, which consists of ID cards, passport and driving license. So I will use my ID card. At the ID card side, so these are the requirements for you to able to do, which means your passport must be clear. There should be no blur image or blurring image at all. You're going to take the picture of your ID, the front and the back. You're going to upload the picture of it, and let it be very, very clear. So at this side, you're going to see upload a photo of your front of your ID, which I'm about to do now. So you have to just click on that camera sign. Yeah, it said MEXC would like to access the camera. You have to say okay for you to enable to take a picture of your passport, your ID and your driver license. And here is loading that, cross-checking it. So I've taken the front and the back, and it's correct, it's very clear. I have to go over to submit. So yeah, it says submitted successfully. The review is expected to be complete within 24 hours. Please be patient. I don't think it will take that long for them to review it. It won't take up to 24 hours for them to cross-check it, to review it. Yes, it will take up to 24 hours, maybe a minute or so. And here it say under reviewed. Okay, You can see at the upside there they sent me an email. It's showing MEXC, so I have to go over to my email box to know what it's all about, and it's showing something like KYC verification. So let me go over to my email, and you can see there it's showing KYC verification successful. So this is the email that was sent to me, which is KYC verification successful. So let's go over to MEXC. Over here you can see verified. Now it's showing green, before it was showing yellow, and my account is verified. And guys, you see, to create an account on MEXC is very simple. I've been able to create and verify my MEXC account in less than 4 minutes of doing it, and it's very simple. Now you can be able to carry out trade, transaction, buying of cryptocurrency and others. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.